noticed how kids love repeating things? Clap, spin, jump. Again and again and again. That's not just play, that's coding through patterns. Patterns are secret sauce in early coding. They help children predict, plan, and problem solve. That's brain power in motion. Welcome to Kinderwiz, where fresh perceptions spark innovations. Today, we are on a fun ride to explore patterns, those sneaky little clues that turn learning into magic. Spot the beat, feel the flow, and watch tiny thinkers grow. When your child arranges blocks by size, repeat dance moves, or sings Old MacDonald's with endless E-I-E-I-O, boom! They are learning how to spot rules and repeat them. Let's try this together. Green, blue, yellow, red. Green, blue, yellow, red. What comes next? Yup, it's green. That's pattern recognition and it's coding gold. Ready to roll? Here's your to-do. Grab some pasta shapes, bottle caps, or crayon. Make a wacky pattern trail across the table. Let your child extend it. Better yet, let your child break it and make a new one. Teach your child to see the magic in the mundane. Because coding isn't screen, it's seeing structure in everyday fun. Don't you want your child to think like a creator, a coder? Thank you for tuning in to Kinderwiz. Next up, Code in Action. Stories, games, and robots. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.